Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Biology at Priyojit. Have you ever wondered where did humans come from? Were we always like this with advanced brains, language, culture, and technology? Or did millions of years of evolution gradually transform primitive creatures into modern humans? In today's class, we will travel through 75 million years of evolution from tiny shrew-like mammals to modern Homo sapiens and explore the unique characteristics that made humans the most successful species on Earth. So, stay till the end because this topic is extremely important for undergraduate, postgraduate geology, anthropology, and competitive exam. What is human evolution? Human species is the outcome of the same natural evolutionary process that shaped all plants and animals on Earth. Humans are actually the most recent arrival in Earth's history, representing the latest adaptive advancement in the animal kingdom. But how do scientists study human evolution? They use fossil evidence such as by means of comparative anatomy, comparative biochemistry of humans, apes and other primates, genetic studies and molecular clocks. According to paleontological records, primate evolution began around 75 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period from tiny shrew-like insectivorous mammals living on trees. Imagine small squirrel-sized creatures moving among branches millions of years ago. These primitive mammals eventually gave rise to primates and much later humans. Evolution of primates. Genetic studies suggest primates diverged and approximately 85 million years ago. Then around 55 million years ago, primate evolution split into two major groups. Number one is prosimians. Examples include lemurs, lorises, etc. These retained primitive characteristics. Second one is anthropoids, which examples include monkeys, apes, and humans. Anthropoids eventually gave rise to our evolutionary lineage. Human and chimpanzee separation. One of the most important events in evolution happened around 6 to 7 million years ago. At this time, a common ancestor split into two separate evolutionary branches. Number one is chimpanzee branch and number two is human lineage. This means humans didn't evolve from modern chimpanzees. Instead, humans and chimpanzees share a common ancestor. Origin of genus Homo. The process called humanization or appearance of genus Homo started around 4 to 5 million years ago. Let's briefly trace the timeline. Homo habilis, approximately 2.3 million years ago, known as the handyman. The characteristics include first, important tool maker. They had larger brain. They lived with Australopithecines. Homo erectus originated approximately 1.5 to 1 million years ago. Major developments include fully upright posture, better tools, use of fire, and migration beyond Africa. Around 6 lakhs years ago, three hominin species coexisted. Number one is Homo heidelbergensis, second one is Homo neanderthalensis, third one is Homo sapiens. This shows human evolution were branching, not linear. Modern humans, oldest fossils of Homo sapiens found in Ethiopia and are approximately 1,60,000 to 1,95,000 years old. Later, Cro-Magnon humans belonging to Homo sapiens replaced Neanderthals and Heidelberg humans around 35,000 to 40,000 years ago. Place of origin of humans. Where did humans originate? Fossils of ancestral humans have been discovered in Africa, Asia and Europe. However, evidence strongly suggests that Africa was the primary center of human origin, followed by migration into Asia and other regions. This idea is known as the out of Africa hypothesis. What is anthropogeny? Anthropogeny means the study of origin and evolution of humans. It explains how humans evolved from primitive ancestors, development of upright walking, increase in brain size, tool making ability, language and intelligence, social and cultural evolution. Simply put, anthropogeny is equal to the story of becoming human. Origin of humans. When did human evolution begin? Human evolution did not happen overnight. It occurred gradually over millions of years. Here is a simplified timeline. 75 million years ago, earliest primates evolved. 6 to 7 million years ago, human lineage separated from chimpanzee lineage. 4 to 5 million years ago, earliest hominids appeared. 2.3 million years ago, Homo habilis evolved. 1.5 million years ago, Homo erectus appeared, and 3 lakh years ago, modern humans emerged. Think of evolution as a branching tree, not a straight ladder. Many human relatives existed and became extinct. Only one survived, Homo sapiens sapiens, or modern humans. Unique hominid characteristics. Why are humans different from other primates? Humans developed several unique characteristics. Number one is bipedalism, or walking on two legs. Humans walk upright. Advantages: hands became free, tool use increased, better vision, efficient movement, and this was one of the biggest evolutionary changes. Upright posture. Humans maintain a fully erect body posture. Features include head balanced on the vertebral column, broad pelvis supports body weight, strong lower limbs help in standing and walking. Advantages include reduced muscular effort during standing, better balance and mobility. The thumb can move opposite to the fingers, which is called opposable thumb, whose importance include provides precision grip, helps in holding and manipulating objects, essential for tool making and fine motor skills. This is one of the most important adaptations in humans. Now forelimbs. Humans forelimbs, this is the image of forelimbs, are highly flexible and specialized, which characterized by arms are shorter than legs. They have greater freedom of movement at shoulder joints. Their hands are capable of delicate movements. Importance include tool making and tool use, carrying food and infants, writing and artistic activities. Brain and cranial cavity. Humans possess a highly developed brain, the features of which large cranial capacity, about 1350 to 1450 cc in modern humans. They had highly developed cerebrum. Importance include intelligence and reasoning, memory and learning, language and creativity, planning and problem solving. Face. Human face differs greatly from that of apes. Features: flat face, reduced brow ridges, small jaws, chin present, etc. Importance: they are associated with speech development, reflects reduction in chewing muscles. Teeth. Human dentition or human teeth is specialized for an omnivorous diet, which are characterized by smaller canine teeth, parabolic dental arch, thick enamel, reduced gap between teeth, which in diastema is absent. Importance: efficient chewing of different foods adapted for mixed diet. Improved food acquisition and omnivorous diet. Humans developed advanced methods of obtaining food. Features include hunting and gathering, tool assisted food collection, cooking of food, etc. Omnivorous diet. Humans eat plant materials, fruits, meat, fish and other foods. Importance: better nutrition for brain development, adaptability to different environments. Intelligence. Humans are the most intelligent living primates. They are characterized by abstract thinking, decision making, innovation, problem solving, etc. So importance include development of civilization, science, art and technology, adaptation to changing environment. Binocular vision, both eyes focus on the same object simultaneously. Advantages: three-dimensional vision, accurate judgment of distance and depth, better hand-eye coordination. This is useful in climbing, hunting and tool use. Olfactory sense and hearing. Olfactory sense is the sense of smell, which is less developed than many mammals. Hearing is highly developed. It is sensitive to speech, sounds and communication. Importance: it helps in language and social interaction. Breeding capacity. Humans have prolonged reproductive and parental care periods. The features are long childhood, care of infants by parents and family, reproductive capacity throughout adulthood. Importance include better learning and social development of children. Loss of body hair. Humans have less body hair compared to apes. Importance: they have better regulation of body temperature through sweating, adaptation to hot environments, easier removal of parasites. Social and cultural organization. Humans live in organized societies and possesses culture. Social features: human family system, cooperation, division of labor, group living, etc. Cultural features include language, religion, art, customs, traditions, and technology. Importance include transmission of knowledge from one generation to another, development of civilization. Now, we can conclude that unique hominid characteristics such as bipedalism, large brain capacity, opposable thumb, face, teeth, dentition, cranial capacity, intelligence, language, social organization, loss of body hair distinguish humans from all other primates. These adaptations helped humans become the most advanced and successful species on earth. So my dear students, if this class helped you understand human evolution and unique hominid characteristics, don't forget to like, share and subscribe among your friends for more undergraduate and postgraduate zoology, anthropology and evolutionary biology topics. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.